You probably use ChatGPT, or you know someone who does. OpenAI built the tool that millions of people rely on every day for work, writing, coding, and problem-solving. It is the most visible AI company in the world. But here is something most people do not realize. The team whose specific job was to make sure that tool stays under human control no longer exists. OpenAI dissolved it. And then, quietly, they removed the word safely from their mission statement. The company leading the global AI race decided that safety was no longer part of their core promise. That is the story we need to talk about. To understand what changed, you need to know what came before. OpenAI was founded with a clear and public mission. Their goal was to build artificial general intelligence that benefits all of humanity, and they would do it safely. That word, safely, was not decorative language. It represented an entire research discipline called alignment. Alignment is the science of ensuring that advanced AI systems follow human intentions and do not pursue goals that conflict with our well-being. For years, OpenAI positioned itself as the responsible company in the room, the one that took safety seriously while competitors rushed ahead. In September 2025, OpenAI dissolved the team responsible for AGI mission safety. This was confirmed by multiple independent reports from Data Economy and LinkedIn. The researchers who specialized in keeping powerful systems aligned with human values were reassigned or departed. But this was not a sudden event. Reports going back to August 2024 described an exodus of AGI safety researchers from the company. One safety expert exit in late 2024 raised what one publication called alarm over AGI safety risks. By January 2025, another AI safety leader had departed, described as a critical loss. Then in late February 2026, something small happened that carried enormous weight. OpenAI removed the word safely from its mission statement, not replaced with different language, just removed entirely. The Conversation, an academic news outlet, analyzed the change and called it a test for whether AI serves society or shareholders. This mission change came alongside a for-profit restructuring. Reports indicated a $41 billion investment from SoftBank provided the financial context for this pivot. The company was transforming into something different, and safety was not making the trip. And this is where the story gets wider. The safety researcher departures were not limited to OpenAI. In February 2026, CNN, TechBrew, and ItWoWork all reported that safety and ethics employees were leaving both OpenAI and Anthropic simultaneously. Anthropic was founded specifically as a safety-focused alternative to OpenAI. If researchers are fleeing both companies, it raises a hard question. Is safety research even viable anymore within the commercial AI sector? The brain drain of alignment expertise is happening across the industry. You might wonder whether this matters. Could safety research just happen somewhere else, at a university or a nonprofit? But alignment is not simple work you can outsource. One empirical study found that training techniques aimed at improving one responsible AI dimension consistently degrade other dimensions. Safety, fairness, and privacy are actually in tension with each other. Improving one means weakening another. You cannot just optimize for safety and assume fairness follows. It requires dedicated experts working full-time on the problem, inside the company building the systems. So who is watching now? The International AI Safety Report 2026, reportedly led by AI pioneer Yoshua Bengio, covers autonomous agent risks and governance gaps. In March 2026, Canada launched a safety review of OpenAI, with CEO Sam Altman involved. In May, Elon Musk filed a lawsuit challenging OpenAI's structure and its mission to benefit humanity. TechCrunch reported that this lawsuit is putting OpenAI's safety record under the microscope. But lawsuits and international reports are not the same as having researchers embedded in the building, catching problems before products ship. Here is why this should matter to you personally. If you interact with AI tools built by a company that no longer maintains a dedicated alignment team, you are using systems where the safety expertise has been drained away. The people who would have been responsible for ensuring those systems remain under human control have left the building. This is not a theoretical debate about some distant future. It is about the tools you might be using right now today to write emails, generate code, or answer questions. So we are left with a simple but important question. Can a for-profit corporation, flush with billions in investment, be trusted to regulate itself on the most powerful technology humanity has ever created? The leading AI company has decided that safety is no longer a core promise. The researchers who would have pushed back are gone. Someone else will have to make safety a priority because OpenAI has made it clear they will not.